Personalized customer experience refers to developing products, services, and interactions to meet your customers' unique and individual requirements. Right from greeting your customers by their first name to designing offers that meet their likes and interests, personalization has become the new brand differentiator. In today's era of the empowered customer, personalization has become so important that businesses cannot afford to ignore it anymore. According to an Accenture report, 33% of customers who ended their relationship with a business did so because of a lack of personalization. 1. Understand customer expectations. You cannot offer stellar customer experiences unless you attempt to understand your customers' expectations. This is an important initial step of customer personalization strategy and will help you take a deep dive into their minds. Here are some ways to get started. 2. Conduct regular opinion polls and customer surveys. Track what customers are posting online about your business or close competitors. Analyze online customer reviews. Personalization and segmentation are often used interchangeably, however, both processes complement each other. In order to personalize experiences, it is important to segment your customer base into different groups. This will only make your job easier. Online vs offline shoppers. Segregate customers who love online shopping from those who prefer to shop from offline stores. Gender. Men and women indulge in buying products that cater to their gender. Age. Kids, youth, adults, elderly, people of different age groups tend to show different buying habits. Example. 1. Amazon. No article on personalization goes without mentioning Amazon, the leading customer-centric company. Customer focus is embedded in the DNA of the company. Put the customer first. Invent. And be patient. Says Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon. Amazon knows a lot about their customers based on their purchase history, so they personalize and offer their customers special offers based on the customer's interests. This type of personalization not only increases customer satisfaction but also drives loyalty and repetitive purchases. 2. Netflix. Another well-known customization leader is Netflix. Netflix has revolutionized the movie and online entertainment industries. Based on the user behavior, you might find an actor that you recognize, an exciting moment like a car chase, or a dramatic scene that conveys the essence of a movie or TV show in your feed. This is yet another way Netflix differs from traditional media offerings. We don't have one product, but over 100 million different products with one for each of our members with personalized recommendations and personalized visuals. Shares the tech team of Netflix. 3. Facebook. Despite recent privacy controversies with Facebook, the social media giant has mastered the art of personalization up to perfection and has a lot to teach us. Facebook personalizes all the content that a user gets, user feed and updates, local event suggestions, ads, marketplace offers, and so on. By personalizing the whole user experience, Facebook catches our attention and develops a strong connection to the user.